MSTR stock analysis and price predictions for next week. This is super interesting. Is it a buy? I'm breaking all this down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, look, I am the only guy in this space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos, and that is with 5 years of experience, and I've documented it all. I mean, ultimately, MicroStrategy, I'm looking to take it further up, only if it makes sense. For example, yesterday, I mean, just a few days ago, actually, when I wanted to take it up, I was waiting for a double break, but I never got the double break, and this is why I love my strategy, because random people would have just immediately bought. And I didn't, because the rules never got met. So I'll get rid of this. Yeah, like these links that you see here, just me catching the timing correct and just longing. It's turned out to be a very decent plus 4R right there just recently, but since we're now in this freaking place, the price is correcting quite hard. I think like this is a full-on demand zone, right? I don't doubt that we could break the lows, right? So, but because it's a demand zone, if there is a double break, I'm still looking to take it up, right? Notice how I'm not just going to assume that tomorrow, like not tomorrow, but Monday when we open, I'm going to buy randomly. No, I just would love and appreciate it if there is a double break and I take it up from there. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting for rules to be met. And if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.